Welcome to the plan of our B9 floor plan at 1,074 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2 full bathrooms. When you first walk into the entryway, you met with the hallway that goes into the main living area, and another one goes into the second bedroom with a closet. We also have up front here in the door when you first walk in. So plenty of room coming in, and then a shot into the second bedroom. When we first walk down the hallway, we pass the laundry facility. And this is actually a laundry closet. So you got 2 full-size front-loader washers and dryers. And of course, notice that everything is all hard surface flooring throughout. This is located on the inside corner of our building in the courtyard area. As you come in, it's actually a combined open kitchen living area. We have stainless steel appliances, nice subway splash, the under the light cabinet lighting, glass electric range top, nice deep stainless steel sink, and then quartz material for the kitchen countertops. At the same time, we also have a movable kitchen island. You can move this where you need it in the apartment. It also has the quartzite material, and it also provides extra storage space, as well as some extra drawers. Located in a fantastic position of our building, this is actually us looking down onto our main front entrance. The corner unit. So you got the windows that wrap around. Lots of sunlight. Nice view out towards the river. Down to downtown as well of Old Town Alexandria. And we'll take a look, looking back at the kitchen, lighting, and how that all looks together and plays together there. You have your own heat pump system for both your heating and cooling that you control. And in the master bedroom, you also get the Juliet balcony here. So nice big window, floor to ceiling window. Spinning around, you can definitely have a nice large king size bed. Give you an idea of the height of the ceiling. Extra closet behind the door, and then you have your closet going in to the bathroom as well. A lot of storage in this apartment. This one also has a walk-in shower from the master bedroom. It also features a water saver toilet for environmental friendly. Give you an idea of like the fixture finishes. And then the vanity also has the same quartz material as the kitchen cabinets. So they blend that seam all the way through. At the same time, we also talked about nice storage. And all these closets are going to figure 2 shelving in every one, and nice and high. And continue the hard surface flooring all the way throughout. At the same time, there's another walk-in closet. Give you an idea of the footprint, and again that double shelving, as well as the linen closet. Traveling on through, just in a nice location right here inside the building. We have the east wing, the center wing, and of course looking down onto the front of the driveway there. And now I'm going to go and walk to the second bedroom, which is definitely located in its own end of the building. Have a nice front closet. Second bedroom, nice, large, and square. Big windows, the shades. It too also features a walk-in closet. And then what they've done is went ahead and put the second bathroom available to the main room and also to the bedroom right here. Again, the vanity features the same quartz material, and the difference is we have a bathtub and shower combination in here. So if you'd like to know more about leasing this apartment, please click on the information above and schedule a tour today.